Yes. Can you see my screen? My board? Okay. Okay. This is the previous exercise about the probability theory. So the first one, the question one. Any question maybe for all of you? So in this question, we have some clue, key point. So the probability that a lunar eclipse will be covered by cloud at the Lembang Observatory is 40%. This observation conducted 15 times. What is the probability? So the outcome of this question is 2. This is for covered by clouds. This is we consider this as success. Success. And we have fail the other outcome. So because we have two outcome, this distribution is binomial distribution. So this is we call it probability of success. This is the trial, the number of trial. So the question, at least 10 lunar eclipse will be covered. Okay. Okay. Oh, because this is, I see. This is word. I use this one. So we have this. This is as a probability of success. This is the number of trial. So the probability is a binomial distribution. This is the probability of success, number of observation. So the first question is, at least 10 lunar eclipse will be covered by cloud at the location. So we can get this is probability X more than equal to, I'm sorry, at least 10 lunar eclipse. So this is, okay. So the random variable is more than 10. This is at least 10 lunar. So we at least 10 lunar. So this is X more than 10. I'm sorry. Yes. I'm sorry. I, okay. Control Z, Control Z. This one. Yes. The 10 is included. I'm sorry. Yes. At least 10 lunar eclipse. Yes. I think yes. This is more than equal to 10. So we can compute with this. If we take a look at the table, so we can use this formula. So 1 minus with x less than equal to 9. So we can take a look at the table. This table is N15, and then the probability is 0.4, this one. So this one for the 9, this one 0.9662. So 1 minus with this probability, we get this probability of at least 10 lunar eclipse will be covered by cloud. This is for the point A. And then the next one between 3 and 8 lunar eclipse. So we can compute with the probability. This one less than equal to 8 minus with x less than equal to 2. So we can take at this table. So for the 8, we just take for the random variable is 8. 8, wait, this one. And for the 2 one, this one. Oh, I give this is for the 2. And for the 8, this one. So we 8 minus with the 2. For the point B, and then for the point C, exactly 5 lunar eclipse. So if we take a look at the table, if we doing with the formula for the binomial distribution, we can compute only one formula. But if we take a look at the table, so we must subtract the 5 and with the 4. So this is the solution for the probability of binomial distribution about the lunar eclipse. Okay, for number 1, maybe any question for you from you? It's okay. Okay, easy. Okay, the next one is number 2. The average number of radioactive particles passing through a counter during 1 millisecond in a laboratory experiment is 4. What is the probability of 6 particle pace pass through the counter in the 1 millisecond? So we have a mean number of particle per millisecond is this is we call it lambda. Lambda is 4. We need px equal to 6. Probability of 6 particle, the Poisson with the lambda 4. So we can calculate with probability and we have the probability. Okay, this is for Poisson distribution. The question number 3 is the airport in a city has 3 runway and the probability of each runway being chosen. So we have 3 outcome. So we can conclude it is a multinomial. We don't know it is a multinomial basic or multinomial hypergeometrics. Like yesterday discussion. So calculate the probability. So we don't have any note about replacement or no replacement. So we can conclude this is a multinomial basic. So like in the uh, with replacement, not without replacement. So calculate the probability of 6 randomly arriving planes will be distributed as a follow. 2 planes on an runway 1, 1 plane on runway 2, and 3 planes on runway 3. So this is probability and we can conclude multinomial with this probability. So we can compute the probability. Okay, the next one. Any question until question 3? Did they see? Yeah, yeah, yes. It's okay. So you can prepare a calculator. Scientific calculator. Yes. Not. uh, apa, not the basic calculator only for plus minus or divide and multiplication. So use the scientific calculator. Okay. And then the next one in question 4, Tire Factory reported out of 100 tire shipment to store A, 5 are defective. If a person randomly buy 10 tires from store A, what is probability most one tire is defective? This is, we have some population size. I'm sorry, this is 10 defective item, sample size. Okay, we have, okay, we get, this notation is depend the, mm, depend with the book. So we can justify with the notation. It's okay. So this is a hypergeometric. So a tire factory report out of one tire shipment to store A was 5 are defective. If a person randomly buy 10 tires from store A, what is the probability at most one tire is defective? This one is a hypergeometric probability because uh, we take 5 uh, there are 10, there are 100 population size, and then 5 defective. We take, so there, this one, I maybe give you an illustration like this one. This is 100, this population, we take a sample size. In this one, on all 5 is defective. This is defective. 5 defective. So what is the probability at most one tire is defective from this sample size? So we take this one and not it defect. So without replacement. So we can uh, consider it as an hypergeometric probability. Okay, so we can compute with this. So we have the probability of this one. Okay, question 5. A container holds a woven handicraft to export. Okay. According to the manufacturing specification, the probability of defective handicraft is 10. A quality control officer inspects the handicraft one by one until a defective one is found. Determine the probability of defective is found with the first 5 inspection. So this is, we take a look at the first. So this is a geometric distribution. This is a geometric distribution. So you can calculate it with the formula. And then the next one. In the exam, a student is required to solve 5 equations of 8 available equations. Determine the number of possible ways to choose the equation to be answered. We choose 5 equations out of 8. So this is a combination. So this one is the, and we compute the calculation. Until equation 6, any equation? Okay. We continue in the question 7. A company needs to hire employee consisting of 5 men and 3 women. There are 15 applicants, 9 of whom are men. Determine the number of ways to select the employee. The number of ways, so we don't calculate the probability, but we calculate the number of ways. If calculate the number of ways, we can use permutation, combination, like that. So selected 5 men from 9, selected 3 women from 6. So the total width is multiply combination from 9 to 5, 6 to 3. So this is the total width of select employee. Question 8. Magistrate at a large convention are offer 6 signing tour at each of the 3K. In the how many way can a person arrange to go on the sightseeing tour planned by the convention? So we can multiplication rule number of way and 1 multiply with n2 and 1 is 6 sightseeing tour. So they are 6 tour and 3 days. So we have the way is 18. It is very easy for the question from question 7 until the rest of the question. Question 9 is in medical study, patients are classified in 8 ways according to whether they have blood type EB plus, AB, rhesus minus, yeah, rhesus positive. So also according their blood pressure is low, normal, and what. Find the number of ways which a patient can be classified. So the first one is about 9 blood types, and the second and 2 is about the classification. So number of the patient can be classified. 8 multiplied with 3, so we get 24 number of ways. Question 10. If an experiment consists of throwing a die and then throwing a letter at a random from the English alphabet, how many points are there in a sample space? Sorry. There are 6 sides in the dice and 26 letters in the alphabet, so we can multiply. Identify the sample. And we have 2 sets on the number. The sample set is 156 elements. Number 11. This is student at a private library college are classified as freshmen, sophomore, junior, and senior. Find the total number of possible classification. So the number is like that. If we have make some detail, we have 8 possible classification. And then for the question number 12, certain brand of shoes comes in 5 different styles with each style available in 4 distinct color. If the store wishes to display pair of these shoes showing all of its various, how many different pair will be stored have on the display? So the solution is 5 style multiply with the 4 distinct color. So we have 20 pairs are needed. Okay, maybe for the exercise, any question? It is very easy. Okay, we continue with the other exercise. Oh, wait a second. Wait a moment. Hmm. Okay. Okay. If we have uh, the question like this, what is probability distribution that case study follow? This one. You can read it. I give 2 minutes to read this question. Okay. We have some key point from this question. Uh, car color preference changes over the year and according to the particular model that the customer select. In a recent year, suppose that 10% of the all luxury cars sold were black. So we can consider it as a success. If 25 cars, so this is the experiment, of the that year and type are randomly selected, find the following probability. And this, how about distribution? What is distribution? This distribution? Yes. Hmm? Yes. You're right. Yes. Thank you, Rio. You are correct. So this is a binomial. We have this is probability of success, and we have a failure. We call it failure. We consider failure if the cars are not black. Like that. So this is a binomial. So for the first question, at least 5. This is binomial. So we can take a look at the binomial type value to conclude to compute this probability. The first one, at least 5 cars are black. At least 5 cars are black. So this is at least 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and until 25 cars. So this is n. This is for P. At most 6 cards are black. So from 0 until 6 cards. More than 4 cards. More than 4 cards. So 5, 6 until 25. Exactly 4 cards are black. So probability of X equal to 4. Between 3 and 5 cards. Between 3 and 5. More than 20 cards are not black. So if this is more than cards are not black, 25, 22, we can change it in the probability of success. So if there are 21 failure, so we have 4 success. 4 and then 3, 2, 1. So we can, so this is, we have a probability of success. This is number of experiment, number trial. For the first one, probability at least 5 cards is like this. We can compute by looking at the table, binomial table, like this. So this is how we compute in binomial distribution table. And then at most 6 is 1. We can take a look at the table. And then we have the same question, but with different diction. This is with this one. We have the same probability, but the diction is different. But the meaning is the same between question A and question C. So for the D exactly this one. So the more than 20 cards are black. More than, so we have one, yes, I'm sorry, this one. I'm sorry, this one 4. If we have this one, so for more than 20 cards. So 4, 3, 2, 1. This is, I'm sorry, this is probability X. This is not, this is 4. Okay, maybe it is a little challenging for like this. More than, uh, more than 4 car. This one, this is more challenging rather than if this is exactly like exactly we only computed or we take a look at the table. Okay, for the first case study and equation, yeah, because uh, this is more than 20 cars are not black. So we have I mm, sorry. How to oh wait a minute. Yesterday I can Arctic with hmm, I'm sorry. Wait a minute. Oh, sorry. Insert textbook. Mhm, mhm. Okay. So more than 20 cars are not black. So this is more than 20 cars. So 20, 21, 22, because we have 25. So 23, 24, and 25. More than. Lebih dari. More than. I'm sorry. So for 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. More than. Not more than. Equal to 20 cars. Yeah. In what point? I'm sorry. I can follow your question. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, if you have. Oh, okay. 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 Uh, for this one, for exam, I will uh, select about the number of the trial, because this is for exercise. You can only just browsing, so you can use the table for this one. But for the exam, I will uh, assure that the number is on the table. This is include in the table. So if we have, if we like this, uh, if we can browse, I think we can browse is this table is available in the internet. Uh, if in book maybe only a limited. So if because this is exercise, you can uh, calculate it with uh, we you compute it with the table. But if you don't have any of you like pros, there is no, you can compute manually. But the first one you can browse for the table. Okay. Uh, I think in mid exam I will really select for the question, and I uh, will uh, adjust with the table. Maybe if we have a table until 10 or until 15, or if we have only 20, we just about the question. Okay, any other question? Okay, the next one. Okay, the next question is a manufacturer of power plant mowers by 1 horsepower two cycle engine in lots of 1000 from a supplier. She then equipped each of the mowers produced by her plant with one of engine. History shows that the probability of any one engine from the supplier proving unsatisfactory is the probability is 0.001. In a shipment of 1000 engine, what is the probability that none is defective? 3, 4, and etc. So this is binomial. In the basic, this is binomial, but because this is the number of the trial is very big with the probability is very small, we can approximate the binomial distribution become the Poisson distribution. So we can calculate it with the probability of the Poisson distribution. So this is maybe not yet explained in the previous slide. So we can use the Poisson distribution if we have very small probability with very big number of trial. So we can approximate it with the binomial distribution. Okay. Any question? Okay. The next one. The surface of the circuit dartboard has a small center circle called the bullseye and 20 pie-shaped region number from 1 to 20. Each of the pie-shaped region is divided into three parts, such as a person throwing a dart that lands in a specific region score the value of the number. Double the number or triple the number. We have number, single, double, and triple, depending on which of the three parts the dart hit. If a person hits the bullseye with the probability, so this is the probability of bullseye, double, triple, miss, and maybe in another region. What is the probability of 7 throw will result in no bullseye, no triple, no double twice, and complete miss one. So we have how many outcomes in this question? How many outcomes? The first one is hit the bull eye. So this is one. Mm. This is first, second, third, fourth, and in another region. So we have 5 outcome. So if we have 5 outcome, so this is the multivariate multinomial distribution. So the bullseye probability 0 point is 0.01. Double, triple, miss, and other region. Why we must compute other region? Because the probability is, the sum of probability is 1. If we compute this probability, the sum is not equal to 1. So we must add with the other region, regular region. So the multinomial, we can compute with the formula of multinomial. Okay? Any question for the multinomial distribution? Okay, the next one. Which probability? A government task force suspect that some manufacturing company are in the violation of the federal pollution regulation with regard of the dumping a certain type of product. 20 firms are under suspicion, but not all can be inspected. Suppose that 3 of the firms are in violation. What is the probability that inspect of 5 firms will find no violation? What is the probability that the plan above will find 2 violation? This is hypergeometric distribution with the total 20 firms. 20 firms. This is 20 company inspection. They have 3 firms that have violation. So we have 20 firms in total. 3 firms are in violation. What the probability inspect 5 firms will find no violation. So this is about the sample. We X is the number of violation found. So the question is, no violation is equal to 0, and for the B equation is for 2 violation. So this is about the hypergeometric. So we can just take a summary that hypergeometrics, if there a population, we take some sample. So this is population. They have some defective of success, and we want we have a sample or sample size. We we take an inspection. We take a sample, so we can consider it as a hypergeometric distribution. So beside in the equation we have some word like without replacement. Beside that, we can characterize. We can take hypergeometric if we have a population and we take some sample. So we can this case study follow the hypergeometric distribution. Okay. The next one is about the oil drilling company venture into various locations, and the success or failure is dependent from one location to another. Suppose the probability of the success at any specific location is 0.25. What is the probability of the driller drill at the 10 location and have one success? So this is N, this is X. What the probability? This is probability of success. So this is binomial distribution. The next one, the driller will go bankrupt if drill 10 times before the first success occur. So the first success occur is we on with the geometric distribution. So in one case study, we have two probability. So in one question, maybe is more than two probability. We can maybe binomial and then geometric and maybe binomial, maybe yes, binomial geometrics in one question. It's possible in the exam. So not in one question only one probability, no, but we can mix with another probability. Okay, so this is probability for answer A, probability of one success in 10 reals. This is a binomial distribution, and probability of 10 failure before the first success, it is the geometric distribution. Okay, it is some of maybe example. Maybe you can um, learn about some of the example, and we learn how to uh, characterize about the type of discrete distribution. So in the exam, maybe you can more easier to identify what kind of distribution. So you can choose the distribution and calculate with the correct formula, because every distribution they have their formula. Okay, any question maybe? Okay, is there any question? We can. Yeah. Okay. Rio. Yeah. This one. Yes. 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 It is right. So, we can identify the hypergeometric distribution by two ways. The first one is for population. We take a sample from population. We take a sample from the population. In the population, they are include the success, or it's defect or success, it's okay. So we take a sample. This is a hypergeometric. Or in the question we have without replacement. The statement about without replacement, we can identify that this case study is follow the hypergeometric distribution. Okay, you are right, Satria. Rio. Okay, maybe any other question? Okay, I think easy, right? Probability theory. Okay. Okay. If I forget, please remind me. Please text me. Okay. Maybe I will send you tomorrow or this afternoon, maybe. If I forget, please remind me. Okay? Okay, thank you very much for your coming. Okay, I'm sorry for for my mistake. Yeah, this is the last meeting. No, yes, last meeting for probability theory. In after mid action, we will uh, meet at APS for system design, information system design. Okay, thank you very much for you all. Uh, now fa'ilin wal fa'ilin. Oke. Thank ya, oke. Happy holiday deh. Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Bu.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank